Hey everybody, James Beecham here for SmartCart, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to create a shipping collection for that basically will allow you to charge different shipping rates for each variant in a product. This is particularly useful if you're doing print on demand, where for instance with t-shirts you have different types of t-shirts. You could have a regular shirt, a v-neck, tank top, etc. If you're doing a collection of products where they all have the same design, like a mug, a bag, things like that, this will allow you to set different shipping rates for each particular variant within that product. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and hit this Add Collection button here. And we'll do retail shipping per product. And we're going to go ahead and set this to auto. Leave it at the default country, but you can set this to whatever you'd like there. This one's set to US for right now. And then the strategy. So you can also do, you can do one single rate for each variant, or you can do progressive rates, where if the first one they order is, you want to charge $4.95, the second one $3.95, you can choose this progressive rate. So for right now, we're just going to go ahead and set it up as a single rate. And we'll go ahead and put in $4.95. Create. Alright, so that will be the first one. I'm going to switch over here to one of the t-shirts I've imported into my development store here. And we're going to scroll down here and we're going to look at the variants. And you'll see the different names of the variants for this t-shirt. We've got the unisex, the ladies classic, long sleeve, and so on. And I'm just going to go ahead and copy this first name here. Then I'm going to switch back over to, actually let me open this in a new window. Go to our shipping collection in the collections. Here's the new collection I just created. I'm going to go ahead and open this up to edit it. And we're going to add some conditions here. So this particular, the first condition I like to add is basically to identify that this collection is specifically for what vendor it's coming from. So in this case, this is coming from Slingly. So I'm going to do this is equal to, and then we should have Slingly here. Yep. And then the second condition, this is where we're going to add the variant title. So once we select that, we'll leave it as, you can either do contains or is equal to. I typically just use contains. And I'm going to paste in that first variant that I selected. And go ahead and hit save. And we should see our shirt down here. It's here. Alright. And now I'm going to show you a little trick to kind of save time so you don't have to go back and forth between SmartCart and your collections to do this. I'm just going to go back to collections. And I actually want to just going to copy this actually. So copy the title. And I don't think we can duplicate. Nope. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and create a new collection here. Copy that in. This will be for the second variant. So I'm going to charge $5.95 for this one. Go ahead and copy ladies classic shirt here. And again, we're going to select the vendor. This will be Slingly. And the second condition, we'll do, oops, let me move this up a little bit. We'll do variants title, contains, ladies classic shirt. Go ahead and hit save. Now one thing you'll notice that when you just copy and paste like this to create the collection, you're not going to have the icon for SmartCart next to it, and you're not going to have the details in here. So if you want to copy that over, and you can actually add the icon if you want as well, just upload the image here. But it's not necessary to make it work, so no worries if you're just going to take this shortcut. Go ahead and add the next one. So we're going to do long sleeve. Actually, let's copy this first. New collection. And this one will charge $6.95. Product variant. Oops, sorry. We'll do vendor is Slingly. And product variant. Variant's title contains. And let's see, we need long sleeve. Alright, go ahead and save that collection. And we're going to go ahead and do this again. Copy. Create a collection. We will do $7.95. Vendor. Variant title. Let's see, what's the next one? Hoodie. Alright. And save that one. And copy. And we'll do $8.95. Alright, see what the last one is. Ladies V-neck. Alright, copy that one. Alright. Hit save. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the product in the store now. Open this in a new tab. Alright, so we'll start with the unisex shirt, and that should be this one right here, $4.95. We have the unisex shirt, and it's the vendor Slingly, so we should see this come up as $4.95. Add that to cart, and check out. Alright, you see we have the $4.95 there. And let's go back to our cart. We'll go back to this product. And we're going to go to the ladies classic shirt. And this one should be $5.95. So we're going to add this. We'll go and remove this one, just to make it easy to see. And we'll hit checkout. And you see $5.95. We'll do one more, but you can assume what's going to happen next. We'll go to long sleeve, add to cart, remove, and check out. And long sleeve is $6.95. Alright, so that's for one shirt. Now let me show you what happens when you add, let's see, when you add another shirt. So I'm going to switch over here to Slingly real quick. We'll add another one of their shirts here. We'll do, let's see, we'll do this one right here. Should have all the same variants, yep. Go ahead and add that to the store. And that'll second. All right, we are done there. So let's switch back over. Make sure we have that in here now. There it is, Firefight Like a Girl. We'll go ahead and double check the variant names to make sure they line up with what we had in the other ones. So unisex shirt. Yep, there's a couple missing from here, but these are all in our shipping collections already, so they should be good to go. So now we'll go ahead and take a look at it in the store. And again, we should just be able to, so unisex shirt should come out as $4.95. And there it is. I'll do one more just to show you. This. We'll do the ladies. Add to cart. Check out. And there you go, $5.95. So for every shirt that you add for this particular vendor, for in this case this is Slingley, and if you already have the variant name as one of the collections, then it will automatically set up the shipping for you. So you don't have to go and make specific settings for each shirt as you add. So this makes it really convenient. Now, if one thing you can do, let me switch back over to collections real quick. So say you use another vendor like T-Launch or Teespring or one of the others, but you use all the same names for your shirts just to keep things consistent. All you have to do is copy this, copy one of these collections. So like for instance this one, and just change the product vendor is equal to whatever vendor, and it'll automatically calculate the shipping rate that you set for that appropriate vendor. So in this case, say you have ladies V-neck coming from T-Launch. Let me go ahead and walk through that. We'll say T-Launch's shipping is a little bit more, so we need to make it a little bit higher. Copy that and go ahead and create a new collection. And say we need to charge $9.95 for their, let's see, so we'll say vendor, we'll just make up a vendor, we'll say T-Launch. I don't have T-Launch installed, so we're not going to be able to test this, but essentially this is what you would do. And then we'd add a collection, variant title, and see what, let's go back. We're working with the $8.95 one, so we'll do ladies V-neck. You'd save that. So then now, when someone pulls up, a ladies V-neck that's from T-Launch, they would get charged this $9.95 instead of the $8.95 because this one actually selects it by the T-Launch as the vendor, and then matches to the variant's title. But that makes it easy to separate it by vendor, so you can have different prices by vendor. And again, it still allows you to add as many products in with that matching variant, and you don't have to set up the shipping settings over again. And that's it for this session. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on email or post a question to the group. That's it. Thanks. Have a good day.